my name is Dr. Lily 19047, and today we're going to be blowing up a balloon, but using a bottle. Lula, 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 hang out. Lula, 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 hang out. Lula, 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 hang out. Lily, hang out. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna put 5 grams of baking soda in the balloon. Ooh. This baking soda looks so... Ooh. I thought the baking soda would look like little dots. I never saw baking soda before. Crazy. Wait, is this past 5?
Bruh.
I'm gonna add one more. Because I did not count.
One.
But I think this is 5. Looks like 5. Alright, I think that was 4, so I guess I need to add one more. Okay.
Ta-da.
We're gonna put the vinegar into the funnel cake, funnel, and then we're gonna put it in the bottle. I said funnel cake. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. That is, I think, all. Okay. Yeah, it's all. My mom is gonna help me put the balloon on the bottle. Hey, why do you take my vinegar? Wait, what is that? I do not know what this is. Funnel. Ooh, that look like SpongeBob's hairline. I'm gonna pull the balloon up and all the baking soda is gonna fall in the bottle of oil. Oops. Oh my god.
No.
There's a pop. Okay guys, let's do that again. That did not plan how I was planning.
Take 2.
We're gonna put the balloon in the baking soda and the vinegar in a bottle and see if it's gonna explode again or not. Oh! Oh! It's not. Ooh, I hope it doesn't leak. Oh! It didn't explode! I thought it was gonna explode again, so that's why I put these glasses on. But, ooh! We have no explosion. We have no explosion. Vinegar and baking soda made a gas to blow up the balloon. Now it's time for Lily's joke of the day. What is a knight's favorite fish? What? That's one fish! Bye guys! Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it and subscribe. Bye!